Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video you would have seen that I epoxied this cup. I did the cheat method with I put glitter in the epoxy and then I put it on the tumbler so that it's just there, you don't have to glitter it, none of that, and it's faster. This is actually Snowfall from Peachy Olive Glitters, I want to say it is. It's snow something, but it has like this blue tint in it when you take it into different lighting, and I wanted to show you guys that. And if you can hear my baby, I'm sorry. But for this cup I wanted to do like a Rugrats theme. I thought it was really cute for a sippy cup design because who doesn't love Rugrats? So we're going to be doing a water slide method. There's a bunch of different stuff that you could do now if you didn't want to use water slide, but this is what I chose to use. So since this cup is a water slide, we're going to need water. So I like to use lukewarm water. You can use lukewarm, kind of cold. It doesn't really matter, but I just like to use warm water. And then once it's soaked enough, you'll know because it'll start coming off. These, I don't know why, just started coming off on their own. So I just had to place it like a sticker. Some of them I didn't even have to pull off of the backing. So since we put down that white glitter, essentially, this is clear water slide paper, so you're going to see it a lot better. If this was white water slide paper, you wouldn't have been able to see the sparkle through or anything. I'm just going through what I know about water slides because I know there are some people who will watch this video who are new or don't know how to use water slide paper or don't even know how to glitter tumblers yet. So I just want to make this video very informative for people who don't. What you want. Now we're going to add the characters, and this is what I meant by they just came off the backing like that. But you can't forget Angelica and the doll Cynthia. You can't forget those two, and I really wanted Cynthia on the tumbler, so I had to make sure she was there. One thing I also wanted to throw in there for my beginners is that I know you guys see me using a paper towel to get the water out from underneath the water slide. You don't have to use a paper towel. You can use a squeegee, those squeegee silicone brushes that people sometimes use to apply epoxy on their tumblers with. You can use coffee filters. You can use baby blankets. I know Sandy's from Sandy's Organized Chaos. She uses baby blankets, and I thought that was really cool. I'm going to have to try that. If you do recreate this tumbler, I would love to see it. Please tag me on all my social medias. All of those will be listed down in the description box below, but this tumbler is just so free-handed, as in you don't have to put Chucky next to Angelica. You don't have to put the twins next to the dinosaur. You don't have to do that. I just did that because I was just playing around with it, but it's whatever your heart desires.
what you want. Tell me what you want.
This is how it came out at the end. I loved it. I thought it was really, really cute. I really want to work on like my collage tumblers and, you know, placing everything correctly. And, you know, I think it came out really cute. Now we're going to get into our second sippy cup. So this is for our Stay Wild Moonchild sippy cup. Okay, so now we're about to weed the Stay Wild Moonchild design. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but it did kind of mess up while cutting. That was because I guess I need to clean my Cricut mat and it wasn't laying as flat as it could, so it kind of messed up. So be more better than me, don't do that. This is not for a customer. This cup, exactly the last cup was, but this cup is not. So I was just making it because I wanted to try the design. Now, don't be like me also when weeding. I just weed and keep going and then fix the letters after. That's not smart if you're a beginner, because if you're a beginner, it's gonna be harder for you. But just do what works for you. This is what I do when I weed. I love to weed. I love to sit there and fix it. So that's just me. So because the cut did mess up, I'm going to cut it. And then, you know, if you've never seen this design, your customer don't know that the Y is supposed to look one way or the other. So I just cut it. So I just cut off that little extra loop that was in the Y, and then I just made it a straight Y, if that makes sense. This is also personal preference, your transfer paper. I always use contact paper because you can buy it at the dollar store. You get a big roll and you save a bunch of money and you can use it over and over. So this is what I like to use, but you can also use like ones from Amazon. Cricut has one. I think Sizer has one.
What you want.
Now, one thing with contact paper though, certain vinyls, like our specialty vinyls, it's gonna have a harder time picking up. So I just use my weeding tool to help me. Now, if you have better transfer tape, you won't have to do what I did. I had to split up my design and place it separately. That's fine, but if you don't want to do all that, just use a better transfer tape.
When you
Now for the fun part. Now we can epoxy our cups. Now that our water slides are dry and we have our decal placed on the other tumbler, we are all ready to go. Again, sorry if you can hear my baby in the background. She is having a ball trying to keep herself entertained, but let me know which ones you guys like the most. I really loved how the Rugrats one came out, but I also like the Moonchild one, so I really don't have a favorite, but I really can say that I love how the Rugrats one came out.
Just tell me what you want.
Please also remember to like, comment, and subscribe. My channel is fairly new. Please let me know what you guys want to see, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, and thank you for watching.